I shouldn't have smelled it. Oh, why am I doing this? Welcome to Making Drinks to Drink, where we make drinks to drink. Today, coming to you from the 1972 Playboy bar book, is one that I'm not excited for. This is called the Beer Buster. Or for me, it's gonna be a gut buster, throat buster, everything buster, but we're gonna try it. To make a beer buster, you need 2 ounces of vodka, some dashes of Tabasco sauce, and ale. Why those things are together, I don't know. But we're gonna try it because my pain is for your pleasure. So let's get started. And I'm using a cheap vodka because I'm sure none of this vodka is gonna come through once we add everything else. I don't even know why I picked this drink. I don't like beer. I don't like Tabasco sauce. I like vodka. Oh, it smells bad too. And it says to give it a stir. And then you have a beer buster. Ooh. Oh, I shouldn't have smelled it. Oh, why am I doing this? Stop smelling it. Oh. Down the hatch. Maybe better vodka would have helped it. Beer shouldn't be spicy. Why? What was Hugh Hefner thinking? Is it the beer? No, the beer's good. The beer's good. Add that, and it's not good. I'm really hoping the next one's gonna be a little bit better, because I'm also gonna be making a cement mixer. So, okay, a cement mixer. To make a cement mixer, this is a layered drink, it's a layered shot. Maybe it'll be like a chaser for that. But it's Bailey's Irish Cream and lime juice. I just decided to pick drinks that I thought would be terrible because I hate myself or something. But let's make a cement mixer. And you need a comically large bottle of Bailey's when making this. And what's supposed to happen is you layer the lime juice on top of the Bailey's, and it's supposed to do some weird, funky things. I'll probably bring it around camera to show you. I'll measure it this time. And let's see, let's test my layering. Oh, let's bring this closer. Actually, I'm gonna transfer that to something a little bit easier to pour. Okay, let's see. Oh shit, I'm making a mess. Oh God. Oh no. It just kind of congealed everything together, which I kind of knew it was going to do. I guess that's why it's a cement mixer. I don't know. Oh, that doesn't, oh, that's doing some funky things. I'm gonna have to get some stills of this. This is, you're gonna have to help with the camera. Oh, it's like making a film on the outside. And then you have a cement mixer. Oh, God. Oh, no, I don't like that. Oh, you could like feel it all just kind of like go down. Oh, it's so limey and no Baileys. Why is that a drink? What? Ugh. It's just bad. Why did I do that? Oh, that was just all Baileys. That's good. Okay, and then for my finale, I'm gonna make what I'm calling a cement buster exploder upper. It's kind of like a Boilermaker or a Jaeger bomb. Because why not? Oh, it's like stuck to the sides of the glass. I do this for you guys so that you know when you're making drinks to drink, you know which ones not to make, to not drink. I'm sure that's enough. I'm just gonna, well, ooh. The cement buster blower upper. Oh, don't like that. Ooh. Cheers, friends. Oh, it's like all filmy everywhere. Oh, that's bad. That was a stupid. Look what it's doing to the top. Whoa. Well, if you liked those recipes, I don't know why you would, but if you want to see more recipes, not like that, for a long time. Oh, my lips are tingly. Like, subscribe, share, put in the comments if I should make more terrible drinks, or if you have any ideas for other terrible drinks. My pain will be your pleasure. And as always, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, that was a stupid idea.